So in today's class, we are going to learn computer science. Okay, we are going to handle a subject, computer science. So like English, Tamil, Hindi, Maths, computer science is also a subject. Okay, from first standard for you, from first standard we are going to have subject computer science as a subject. Okay, children. So the name of the lesson is machines around us. Machines around us. So let's have a poem on machine. Okay? Machines, machines everywhere. Machines, machines everywhere. They are here for our care. They are here for our care. Some to play, some to watch. Some to play, some to watch. Some are here for to dot. Some are here for to dot. Let us have intro with all. Let us have intro with all. I will tell you about big and small. I will tell you about big and small. TV, fridge, AC and phone. TV, fridge, AC and phone. Now, computer is also very known. Now, computer is also very known. Lovely poem, isn't it, children? Yes. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about natural and man-made things. Natural and man-made things. What a machine is. We are going to learn what a machine is, and we are going to learn computer is also a machine. Okay. So let's go on the topic. Yeah. So what are machines, children? Machines are the things. One minute. Yeah. So machines are the things we use in our everyday life. We use in our everyday life. But why we are using these machines? Because they make our work easier. Okay, because they make our work easier. Okay. So now let's move on to the next. Yeah. So let's see some of the machines which we use in our day-to-day life. In our daily life, we are using some machines, right? So we'll see what are the machines. First one, mobile. Mobile. For what we are using mobiles? We used to make calls. We used to make calls even we are far away from our family. Even we are far away from our family, we can get in touch with them through the mobiles, isn't it? We can get in touch with them through the mobiles. Next, television. Television, we all love it, isn't it? Yes? So, television is the one which is used to watch movies and cartoons and many more things. That's the next one. Refrigerators. Refrigerators. So here in place like Chennai, wherever it is hot, like place like Chennai, Madurai and all, it's like very hot, right? So those places, in each and every house, they will have refrigerator. So refrigerator is used to keep food fresh and cool. It's a refrigerator is used to keep food fresh and cool. Okay. Yes. Next. Washing machine. Washing machine is used to wash our clothes. It makes our work very easy, isn't it? Very, very easy. Yes, the next one, air conditioner. Air conditioner keeps our house cool. Air conditioner keeps our house cool. Okay. Yes, so now we'll just have an activity. Which machine will your mother use to make pizza? Which machine will your mother use to make pizza? The first one oven, the second one chapati maker, and the third one bread toaster. So which one your mother will use to make pizza? What is the answer? Yes, it's oven. Okay? Oven. The first one. Fine. The second one? Yes, Nandana. Very good. Next one. Pick the machines that we use in our kitchen. Hope you all have visited kitchen. Okay. So here in kitchen, what all things we can see? The first one we have juicer. The second one we have air conditioner, and third one we have rice cooker, and fourth one we have a remote control. So in these four machines, which we use in kitchen? Yes, the first one juicer. We can see we can have juicer in the kitchen and rice cooker. Yeah, electric cooker. So these two machines we can see we can use in a kitchen. Okay. Let's go to the next. Yes. Yes. Now computer. Ma, kindly mute yourself. Okay. So computer. What is a computer, children? Computer is an electronic device. Okay. Computer is an electronic device. It makes our work easier. Okay. It makes our work easier and it runs through electricity. Okay. Computer is an electronic device. That's why we call computer is an electronic device. What do you mean by electronic device? It runs through, it uses electricity to run. It uses electricity to run. So computer works when it gets instruction from us. So if we feed the instructions only, it will work. Okay. When we give instructions only, it will work. So computers will never make mistakes because we are the one giving instructions to the computer. Okay. Fine. So now let's see what are the features of computer. Yeah. So we have some features of computer. Okay. The first one, work very fast. Yes, the computer works very fast. Okay. The second one, it saves time and energy. Yes, of course. It saves time and energy. Next, draw and paint. We all love to draw and paint, right? In computer also we have the option drawing and painting. 1 minute. Varsha, what is this? Happy is the case, Varsha. What, Varsha? You're playing with the chat box, Varsha?
No, ma'am.
No?
Yes.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you.
Listen, okay? Good girl. Yes. Yes, now next we have another feature, never make mistakes. So because why computers doesn't make mistake? Because we are the one giving instructions. Man is the one who's giving instructions to the machine. Okay. So it will not make mistakes. Next one, calculations. Yeah. Calculations can be done very easily. Calculations can be done very, very easily. Calculations means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division and many more are there from the maths. Okay. Yes. The next one, never gets tired. Computer never gets tired. Because we are giving computer, the whole day we'll be charging the computer, right? So when we are working in the computer, it will be charged. So it gets the energy. So the whole day it will not get tired and it will work. Okay, yes. So now let's go to the next. Yes, a machine is a man-made thing which makes our work easier. Okay, so let's see what are the machines. See, the first one we have television, then we have mobile, then we have bread toaster, then we have washing machine, and then we have mixer grinder. So these are all machines. Okay, these machines are made by a man. They are all made by man. Okay, and which makes our work easier, isn't it, children? This machines makes our work very easier. Yeah, yeah. So we'll see. So what is this? The first one is a television. We watch our favorite cartoons. Not only cartoons.
Cartoons, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only cartoons?
No, ma'am. Now it is like, yes, ma'am. Carry on.
Yeah. So we have so many channels, isn't it, children? Other than this cartoons, we have some more useful channels for us, like Animal Planet, Discovery Channel, Travel XP. Yes, in Travel XP channel, we can explore so many new places. So many new places. No, being in our, no, being at home, visit so many places, and we can learn so many things. In Animal Planet, we can see so many animals, and we can learn new things about that also. New facts about those animals. Even the Discovery Channel, so many new things. No, hereafter, we'll make use of watching all these channels also, children, not only cartoons. Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
TV.
Huh?
No.
Not only
Children.
Chicky, Pogo, Nick Jr., no. Not only cartoon channels.
Then you can watch only for half an hour to 45 minutes. If you want, you can watch for half an hour to 45 minutes.
Not
That is
more
not
than that, ma'am.
only go for Nick Jr. Okay? Yes. Okay. So now let's move on to the next. So television is a machine. The next one we have here is a mixer grinder. So we use it for our home. What for? This we use for what we use?
Yummy chutneys, ma'am, milkshake.
Yes. We use this for preparing. Yes, juice, chutneys. Yes, very good. Fine. The next one. Washing machine. We use this for washing our clothes, isn't it? We use this for washing our clothes. It makes our work very easier. We just dump in all the dirty clothes inside the machine. We'll just put water. We'll just open the tap. That's all. Next 45 minutes, we are free from this place. The machine itself will do everything, and finally, it will give us to dry the clothes, isn't it? Very easy. Very nice machine also. Isn't it, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Or else we have to sit and wash our clothes with our hands, brush it up, rinse it,
Yes.
and then squeeze it with our hands, and then put it for drying. And nowadays
See?
we have some machines which is actually drying the clothes and giving it to us.
Yes, children. Okay, so now let's go to the next. Yeah, after washing, we iron our clothes with it. What is this? This is an iron box. So, iron box is used to iron our clothes. Okay, even that is a machine. Next, we have here bike. We use it to travel from one place to another. We use it to travel from one place to another. So, bike is also a machine where it is used to travel from one place to another. Okay, fine. Yeah, calculator. So if we're using calculator, we can do our calculations very quickly. We can, using this calculator, we can do our calculations very, very quickly. Yes, the next one. Yes, the mobile phones. We use it to make calls, etc. Okay, we used to make calls, and now we are using these mobile phones for learning also. For attending online classes, most of us use our mobiles. Yes, yes. But children, those generation, like, no games, online games, no games. Okay, only online classes. We are not supposed to play games at all. Outdoor game is very important. Not sitting in one place and playing with the mobile. That is a very, very bad.
Yes, ma'am. We'll become sick very soon if you're going to play games with the mobile.
Yes, it's a very bad, children. It's very bad for your eyes and your brain also. So avoid playing games using mobiles for the games. Fine, fine. Outdoor game is very good. Indoor game also very good. Sit and play with your parents. Sit and play with your your elder ones who are at home. Okay. Yes. So now let's go to the yes, chess. Very good, Jay. Now let's go to the next. Yes, we have an activity here. So let's see what is this activity. Pick the machines that run on electricity. Run on electricity. The first one we have watch. Watch runs on electricity? No. Computer runs on electricity? Yes, because it wants charge, right? Yes. The next one, aeroplane. Aeroplane needs fuel, petrol or diesel, fuel to fly in the sky. The next one we have mixer. Mixer grinder. So, mixer grinder obviously needs electricity to grind things. Next one we have, how do these machines work? How do these machines work? Let me read out the answers in the help box. Runs on human power. The second one runs on batteries and runs on electricity. So computer, how does a computer works? It uses electricity, isn't it? So, ma'am, kindly match that answer with, yeah, very good, electricity. So runs on electricity. Computer runs on electricity. Here we have a bicycle. Cycle. So here this is a machine, but this machine uses human power. We only have to pedal, right? So we are giving the power to the bicycle and we are riding it. So human power. The next one, the last one we have here is a wall clock. A clock. And clock, how do clock run? Through batteries. Through batteries. Yes, very good. Very nice. I'm getting the answers. So now the last exercise we have here. Color the machine found in your classroom. Satvika, kindly stop presenting, Kanna.
Yes, ma'am. Somebody is touching this.
Yeah, Satvika. Yes. So, color the machine found in your classroom that runs on electricity. So, in your classroom, what is a machine you can see? A fan, a grinder, or a clock? In your class? Oh, yes, very good. Huh? What, ma? Yes, we can see a fan. I want answer from these three things, okay? Fan, grinder, clock. So we can see a fan. Yes, very good. So now let's go to the next. Next topic we have here. Some interesting question for you children. is the zipper of your school bag. You all have your school bag, right? And we used to close our school bag using zipper. We can find a zip in a bag. Is that a machine or not? Is the zipper of your school bag a machine? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Is it? It is yes. The answer is yes. Okay. Fine. The next one. Natural things and man-made things. So now we are moving to the topic natural things and man-made things. Yes, Kiran, my ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. So, children, so are we all clear with the missions? Yes? So now we are moving to the natural things and man-made things. So what are natural things? What are natural things? Natural things are the things that exist or occur in nature. Occur in nature and have not been made or not caused by people. So natural things are the things which was created by the nature God. Nature God gave us the natural things. It is not created by a human being or a person. Yes, so that we call it as natural things. God has given us that. See? Can you see? No, you're really able to see this picture? So can you tell me what are the natural things in this picture? Can you give me the answers in the chat box?
Tree.
Chat box. Yes. Trees, sky,
Mom, rainbow.
rainbow. Very good. Trees. Yes. Yes. Kindly mute and give me the answers in the chat box, dear.
Oh, yeah. Children use only your chat box.
Yes. Give the answers to your parents. Yes, let them type in the chat box. Flower. Very good. Sky, flower, trees, rainbow. Yes. Mountain. Good children. Good, good. So all these things are natural things. Somebody created these things? No, right? The nature God has given us. Sand, yes, grass, sand, trees, flowers, rainbow, sky. And something is there in this picture that we cannot see. Ma'am, any idea about that? We have something in this picture, but that cannot be seen. And that is a natural thing.
Human beings.
Yeah,
Very good.
the answer, ma'am. Air, very good. Air is also a natural thing. It cannot be seen through our eyes, isn't it?
You can just
Cloud.
feel it, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So all these are natural things. Nature God gave us this beautiful natural things, and it is our responsibility to save our nature. Isn't it, children?
And we should be kind also, ma'am, with the nature.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. That is more important. Being kind and saving our nature is very, very, very important, children. Is this our responsibility, children? Yes or no? Is it our responsibility to save our nature or somebody else's responsibility?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right. We are the one not to save the nature. So, rainbow, trees, flowers, humans. Rayan Muttaris, you're growing plants. Very good. Very good, very good. Rain, yes, rain is also nature only. Humans, these are called natural things. Natural things. Save water, Mahavidya. Yes, exactly. We have to save water. Sun, moon, trees, animals vegetables, the carrot, not only carrot, all the vegetables and fruits. Rain, rainbow, fire. Yes, all are natural things. So now let's move on to man-made things. Man-made things. So what are the things you're seeing? Can you tell me what are the man-made things in this picture? Tell me the name of the man-made things. Yes, sofa, table, clock. Toys. Very good. TV, windows, car toys. Yes, all the toys. Chair, robot, cupboards, chair, books, TV, floor mat. Very good, very good. Rocket, yes. All these things, globe,
Ma'am, Shobha, ma'am.
sofa, yes, sofa, correct. So all these things created by human beings, isn't it? All these things has been created by human beings. By people. Yes.
Ma'am, pillow.
Yes. Pillow, wall clock, curtain, window. Yes, all these things are called man-made things. Man only made all these things. So we are calling it as man-made things. Man-made things.
Clock, ma'am. Light, ma'am. Light.
Yes, light, table, chair, toys, house. All your answers are correct. So all these things we call it as
Clock.
Man-made
all
things,
these-
ma'am.
Man-made.
Very good, very
Man-made.
good. Kindly mute your mic. Yes, all these are called as man-made things. So natural things are made naturally. Nature God gave all those natural things, and man-made things are made by humans. Man-made things are made by humans.
Ma'am, spoon.
Yes. So here we have an activity. Spot and color natural things in the picture. Spot and color the natural things in the picture. So this activity is only for the natural things. Natural things. Take a notebook. Draw
You are going
by
to draw.
yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Draw by yourself. So it is very simple. A tree, a chair, dolphin.
Not chair, ma'am. Tree, dolphin, sea, sky, cloud.
Okay, yes. You can draw only the natural things and color it. Yes, complete this activity.
In your computer science notebook.
Exactly.
Mm.
Maintain a separate notebook for computer science. Yes, 4 lines. No need to draw this in the scrapbook. You can draw it in your computer science notebook itself. No problem, it is a 4 lines notebook. You can draw it in the computer science notebook, draw the natural things, color it. And the next activity is for man-made things. Spot and color the man-made things in the picture. Children, all these drawings are so simple. Yes, you can draw by yourself. Do not trouble your parents. Amma, draw and give me, then only I will color. Don't say that. Okay, see that and you can draw by yourself. And color it. Spot and color the man-made things. Spot and color the man-made things. Yes, and post your activity in the Google Classroom, not in the WhatsApp group, in the Google Classroom. So whatever the activity or the classwork or the drawings, whatever you are doing, Kindly post it in the Google Classroom. Yes. Here we have match the things with their shadows. Match the things with their shadows. Ma'am, all these notes will be available in MVM app. You can download all these from MVM app. Everything we are uploading it, all the classwork notes, the workbook exercises, everything, no, all the things are available in MVM app, ma'am. Yeah. So we will do the activity now, match the things with their shadows. So here we have some pictures and their shadows. See children, shadows, can you see how the shadows are? It is so dark, isn't it? All the shadows are looking very dark, isn't it? Shadow means it will be very dark. We will just have the outline of it. And nothing can be seen in the shadow. Yes? So shall we match it? Now with the help of the shapes, we can match it. See the first picture here we have a globe. I will number the shadows. So it will be easy for us to match. The first one, second one, third one, fourth one and fifth one. Now you can give me the answers using these numbers. Globe, very good. Globe. Globe we are going to match with which number? Can you give me the number? The first picture will be matched with number 4. Very good. And the second one, we have a board here. Board. We have a board here. Number 5. Exactly. See, but here ABC is written in the board. But can we see that ABC in the shadow?
Ma'am, 1 minute. I have a question here. Ma'am, can you explain? One moment. Some given one question. Can you explain? See, it's going up. Can you explain why zipper is a machine? See, parents. Zipper is a thing that is made by man. 1 minute, children. 1 minute. Just mute yourself. And these questions will be raised for children during the class hours for make them for critical thinking. They'll start thinking why it is a machine, for what it is being used. So for that only we are having some questions like that. And here we are not giving any explanations for anything. Like that is to make them think. It is called as critical thinking, for them to think about it. So that's the only reason we have some simple. Yes, thank you, parents.
Bag.
Yeah.
And zip is one which is made by man only.
Bag.
So we are calling it as a machine.
Yes.
Bus.
Who is that?
Bag. And helper.
Yes, Mahavidya, thank you.
Kindly mute. Mohammad Alman.
What, ma'am?
See,
Mute your
children,
mic,
if
dear.
you mute your mic, we have an activity at the final last 10 minutes. We have an activity. If you don't mute, no,
Ma'am.
then you will not have that
Have
activity.
time to do that, isn't it, ma'am?
And
Yes.
bird.
Alman,
Yes.
Alman, kindly
What,
mute
ma'am?
yourself. Kindly mute yourself.
What, ma'am?
Kindly mute yourself. Okay, done?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, here the second picture, board. Board is already you all gave the answers. Very good, children. So I will see your answers and I will match it. The board with number 5. And the third one, bag. So bag, 3 with 3. Very good.
F3.
Yes. The next one, school bus. School bus.
School bus is two.
2. Okay.
Mr. Shayan,
Look. One. And
ma'am, let's stop the activity, ma'am. We are not going to give activity for E and F section.
Yes, ma'am. We'll stop it.
We are not going to give any activity for hereafter for E and F section. Is that okay, children? Is that okay? No. Yes. So, see, children, many children are here, right? Many are there. So, like, even they should understand what is the concept and everything. Okay? Please kindly cooperate. Okay, children? Yeah. Yes, we have last one. We have a clock over here. And what is the shape of the clock? It's round. So, which is the answer? Yes. I already have I've got the answers. Very good. Thank you. Is the first one. So let's match it. Fine. So now we have come to the end of the computer science subject. Again, this continuation will be not next week. The next week we'll be having all these things again and again. So now, so tomorrow we are celebrating our 74th Independence Day. 74th Independence Day. Okay, children? So, yesterday we have given you some activity to be done, right? Hope everybody have done it. Whoever has completed, kindly unmute your video alone. Kindly just get the instructions first. Kindly unmute your video. Okay? Show the picture. Just hold the picture below your chin. Hold the picture below your chin and we are going to take pictures. Okay? Fine? Are we all ready? Are we all ready? You're going to mute only your video.
Not your audio. Strictly no audio.
Okay, only your video. Okay, children. Yeah, I know, ma'am. E and F section is so good section. They are like so good, and they are very smart children. Yes, children. Let's start doing it. Yes, very good. Jay has started. Yes.
Yes,
Who else?
Nandana, Namish Raghav, Nandana, Sadhana, Jai,
Very lovely children.
Sudarshan, Shravan, Sadhana, lovely. Namish Raghav, Naresh.
Wow, Jay. Look at here, man. Look at the camera. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at
Hold
the
it
camera.
below your
Okay.
chin. Jai Krishna,
below it.
hold it below your chin.
Yes, yes, Jay. Tata, tata. Wait, okay. We'll have a photo. Krishav, come this side. Krishav, show me your face.
Krishav,
Krishav, show your
show
face.
me your face.
Hold the book. Yes, Namish. Then Mahavidya, very good.
Sudarshan Prasad,
Vandana.
yes, Ma
Yes,
Mahavidya, Jivana, Jivika.
And Naresh, very good. Sadhana, Kamakshi, Shravan. Wow.
Ready? Photo. Jai Krishna. Good.
ma'am.
Hold it properly. I'll take a
You're not
picture.
going to leave the class now. You're not going to leave the class now. Wait, I said, you're not going to leave the class. Till I tell you. Wow, Jai Krishna,
Abhinav
show me your
sir,
face.
Darshan, Dharini, kindly unmute. Come on.
Very good.
Charan, Ojaswi, Gopi Kishan,
Wow, Jeevana, Jivika, Varsha. Show the picture.
Nandana. Superb Nandana.
Yeah,
Wow.
hold it like that, okay?
Jivana.
Show with your face,
Jivika.
Kana. Very good. Who else?
Varsha.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait.
Ready? Okay, I'm going to take a pic now.
Yes, say cheese. Let's take a pic. Cheese. Wow. Everybody are looking so pretty here. Yes, Rayan. Yeah, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, wait, ma'am, 1 minute. Because Nehan is, I hope she's not ready. Yeah. Cheese.
Ma'am, mask, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, mask.
For what mask and all? Don't need mask. You're staying inside your house only, na? Yes, Chanavika. Very good, Jaganvale. Wow. Ma'am, photo done?
Just a moment, ma'am. Just on process.
Yeah. Just hold like that, children. Stay for a minute, okay? Yes, Shreyas, Shayan, wow. Hold the picture, Shayan. Yeah, yes. Little, very good. Super. Hold like that, hold like that. Hold like that. 1 minute. Ma'am is taking picture.
Ma'am, this is a mask.
Who's that?
Janvika, ma'am.
Janvika. Yeah, Janvika. I saw that picture, Janvika. This is the reason I told you to mute yourself. Yes, only your video is enough, okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Done. Done taking photos. Sridhar, kindly mute everyone now. Sridhar, kindly mute everyone. Lovely children. All
Yes.
your activities are looking lovely.
Another, show me your face. Yeah, very nice. Wow, superb, yes.
Good, Shayan, superb.
Very good, children. Really loved it. Superb. Okay, we will share this photo in
See,
your
we
class.
are able to see all your pictures. Ranganathan, Shravan, yes, ma.
Shreya,
Teja,
Sadhana. Wow.
Jivika, Shravan, Naresh,
Yes. So,
Jay.
celebrate our Independence Day tomorrow.
Happy Independence Day, children.
Yes, thank you, Jay Gurdev. We have come to the end of the session. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Happy Independence Day, ma'am.
Yes, kindly upload all your activities in Google Classroom. Bye-bye, Jai Gurudev. Bye-bye, Nandana. Bye-bye, children. Jai Gurudev. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Bye.